In this lecture, you'll learn about wireless network fundamentals. Wi-Fi networks adhere to the IEEE 802.11 standards. You're going to learn all about the different standards and also the terminology surrounding them, also about the different radio frequencies and channels. The different types of wireless networks that are available are either ad hoc, which are peer-to-peer connections, or infrastructure mode, which use access points. Wireless LAN controllers can also be used as well to give you added scalability and ease of management. You're going to learn how to configure wireless networks in infrastructure mode with wireless APs and wireless LAN controllers from Cisco. So I'll walk you through how to do the complete configuration on the wireless LAN controller. You're also going to see how to configure your switches to support wireless networks as well. Okay, let's get started.